I like magnets. Specifically these 29mm and 22mm cabinet latch magnets. I specifically like to use them on my metal pegboard. I've used them on my Xbox Series S controller. I have one on my Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker. I use them for my Leatherman Wave Plus multi-tool. That's the 29mm. I also have them on this Roxxon Mini utility pocket knife. These things have really sharp scissors. I also use the Phillips head screwdriver on this multi-tool almost every day. I also use one of these magnets for my Lifkin Crescent Shock Force 3 meter tape measure.